Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a meeting in Google Meet. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for Google Meet. Then, press enter and click on the first website in the search results. Once the Google Meet homepage opens, click on the New Meeting button. You'll now see three different options for creating a meeting. The first option is Create a Meeting for Later. The second option is Start an Instant Meeting. The third option is Schedule a Meeting. By using the first option, if you select first option, Google Meet will generate a meeting link that you can copy and share with others. You can save this link and use it whenever you're ready to start the meeting. The second option. Clicking second option will immediately create and join a new meeting. You may be asked to allow access to your microphone and camera before entering the meeting. The third option. When you select third option, you'll be redirected to Google Calendar, where you can schedule your meeting by choosing the date, time, and other meeting details. After saving the event, you can invite participants by sharing the meeting invitation or link. Choose the option that best fits your needs, and you'll be ready to host your Google Meet session. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.